Hi, my name is Wesley Wenhart. I'm the Executive Director at MONOVA, the Museum of North Vancouver Archives. We're here in our new location at 115 Esplanade West. The team at the Museum of North Vancouver Archives has been working on this project for, I would say, 40 years. We came from a very humble beginning in Presentation House just up the way on 3rd Avenue. The project itself has gone through several iterations. Finally, we landed at this wonderful location. We're now in the Promenade building on the first floor, right beside the C-Bus in the dynamic Shipyards district. This is a big project. The space is probably valued at $20 million. The fit out itself, the tenant improvements were about 2.5 and the exhibitry was 1.5. We chose Evolution AV thanks to our consultant Barry McKinnon. Evolution AV has done the speaker system in the front lobby and throughout the museum, and we've also using their visual displays in 3 of our spaces, including a boardroom setup, which we're really excited to be using during COVID and off into the future. Audiovisual technology helps the museum experience. It makes the mission and the mandate of the museum come alive. Our current storyline is North Vancouver Stories Live Here, and by using audio and visual capabilities, we bring the viewer right in the center of the action and make the past, present, and future come alive and make it relevant and engaging to the museum visitor and its experience that they have here at MONOVA. We're looking forward to working with Evolution AV in the future as we have different corporate clients that have different needs. So we're looking forward to using some of the technology that Evolution AV has placed in our space to really give the client and the museum goers a really authentic, engaging experience using both technologies that we've got here in the building. We're excited to invite North Vancouver people far and wide and tourists to the North Vancouver shores and to the city of Vancouver to come and experience MONOVA. We'd like you all to come down and join us for our community celebration. Our doors are open.